Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable automated replies on Facebook Business Suite. If you want to respond to customers quickly, even when you are busy or away, automated replies can be a very helpful feature. They let people know their message has been received and can set expectations for when they might hear back from you. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process of turning that on inside Meta Business Suite and customizing the message so it fits your business. To begin, open Meta Business Suite. This is the main dashboard where you manage your Facebook business activity, including messages, notifications, and other communication tools. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct business account before moving forward. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Inbox. This is where your incoming conversations are managed, including messages from customers and followers. Opening the inbox is the first step because automated responses are connected to your messaging tools. Once you're inside the inbox, move to the top section of the page and click on Automations. This area contains the settings for message-based workflows and reply features. If you've never used it before, this is where you can control how Facebook responds automatically to incoming messages. From the Automation section, click on Auto Reply. This will open the setup area for your automated response. Depending on the layout you see, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the option that lets you create an instant or automatic reply to new messages. After that, enter your sample message and customize it. This is the part where you decide what customers will see when they contact your business. Keep your message clear, polite, and useful. A good automated reply usually thanks the person for reaching out, lets them know their message was received, and briefly explains when they can expect a response. If customization options are available, review them carefully so the message matches your brand's tone and communication style. Before saving, it's a good idea to read through the message one more time. Check for spelling, clarity, and overall tone. Since this reply may be the first interaction someone has with your business, making it sound professional and friendly can leave a strong first impression. Once everything looks good, click on Save Changes. That will apply your automated reply settings and make the feature active for your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully enabled automated replies on Facebook Business Suite.